Hello friends, myself Kajal Suryavanshi. Today's video topic is a string in Java. In Java, string is basically an object that represents sequence of a character values. An array of character works same as a Java string. For example, character array ch equals to string array, and object are created is same as a string s equals to Java point. Java string class provides a lot of methods to perform operation on strings such as the compare method, concat method, equals method, uh, length method, replace method, compare to method, substring method, and etc. The Java language string class implements serializable, comparable, and character sequence interfaces. Serialization, comparable, and character sequence is both are a string implements. Uh, First is the character sequence interface. The character sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of a characters. String buffer, and string builder classes implements. It means we can create a string in Java by using these three classes. First is a string, second is a string buffer, and string builder. The Java string is a immutable, which means it cannot be changed. A string whenever we change any string, new instance is created for mutable strings. You can use a string buffer and string builder classes. We will discuss immutable string. First, understand what string Java in string to create the string object. What is string? Generally, string is a sequence of character, but in Java, string is an object that represent a sequence of a character. The Java.language string class is used to create a string object. How to create a string object? There are two ways to create a string object. First one is a by string is literal, and second is a by new keyword. First is a string literal. String literal is created by using double quotes. For example, string s is equals to double quote in welcome. Each time you can create a string literal, the JVM check the string constant pool first. If the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pool instance is written if the string does not exist the pool. A new string instance is created and placed in the pool. For example, string s1 is equals to welcome, and string 2 is to welcome. The s2 it does not create a new instance. Uh, Only one object will be created. Firstly, JVM. JVM will not find any string object with the value in welcome in string constant pool. That is why I will create a new object. After that, I will find the string with the value of welcome in the pool. It will not create a new object, but will return the reference to the same instances. Thank you.